Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today again, I'm diving into a very popular platform called NIKI Live, where you can make money by streaming and completing tasks. I've been streaming on NIKI Live for like 2 years plus now, and I'm excited to share the inside tips I've learned to help you make money easily and quickly. So let's get started. To give you an idea of the potential here, I've made over $100 on the NIKI Live app so far. It is a fantastic platform that rewards you not only for live streaming, but also for completing tasks and engaging with the community. Now here are the tips I recommend for anyone looking to earn more on NIKI Live. Consistency is the key. Streaming regularly can increase your visibility and attract new viewers. Engage with your audience. Learn to respond to comments, give shout out, and build a community. And then lastly, take advantage of prime time. Ensure to stream during peak hours. Streaming during peak hours means more viewers and potentially higher earnings. NIKI Live has tasks that are simple and quick, but the payout adds up. Now here's a breakdown of some common tasks. Share the app or invite your friends. You can earn up to $14.5 for every successful invite. You can also participate in events. During special events, completing tasks like sharing live videos or streaming at certain times can give you extra bonuses. Thirdly, daily check-ins. Yes, checking in every day can help you earn a small amount, which adds up over time. Now, let's talk about the main way to earn, which is live streaming. When you go live, you can receive tips and gifts from your viewers. And yes, this is a huge part of income for many streamers on NIKI Live. So, focus on creating content that engages and entertains your viewers. Here is a few fun ideas. Try hosting live Q&A sessions. I personally do this at times. Play games or share tutorials based on your skills or interests. Now, aside from streaming and taxing, you can also earn from inviting your friends to join the platform. When they join and start streaming, you get a referral bonus. Plus, you can increase your earnings if they become regular streamers. So why NIKI Live? After trying out other platforms, I find NIKI Live to be one of the easiest to navigate with some of the best earning opportunities. Plus, the community here is super supportive and the platform makes it easy to grow your audience and income. So if you are considering streaming as a side hustle or a full-time gig, just give NIKI Live a try. It's accessible, user-friendly, and has real potential for earning money online. Just remember, stay consistent, be creative, and enjoy the process. Don't be afraid to explore all the different ways to earn. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money making tips, and comment below with any questions about NIKI Live. I'll see you in the next video.